ba ang pangako sa totoo? Did you promise something during the interview that never came true? If you've ever felt stuck like this, there's a couple who felt the same way. Si Owen tsaka si Lori. They run an event equipment rental business and they were hiring a logistics coordinator. During the interview, they painted a bright picture. We will train you properly. May sistema kami dito. You will grow here. In 6 months, you can even be leading a team. So the applicant was sold. He accepted the job. Pero on day 1, there was no training plan. The system was a messy group chat and a whiteboard full of scribbles. And leading a team, Owen and Lori had not even organized their current staff properly. So the new hire quickly saw the gap between what was promised and what was real. Lapad ng gap, di ba? Ang sabi may training pero ang nangyari, observe ka lang muna. Ang sabi may system pero ang totoo, lahat naguguluhan. Ang sabi may growth pero wala namang structure para lumago. So by the second week, the new hire was disappointed. Not because the job was hard, but because he felt misled. By the end of the month, pagkasahod lang, he resigned. Owen was upset. Sabi niya, we invested time in him. And Lori sighed, nako, maybe hindi lang siguro siya committed. Pero anak, he was committed to what was promised. And when the promise did not match the reality, his trust broke. Kaya ito yung lesson. The new hire believed you. When reality does not match your words, you don't just lose an employee. You lose credibility and word gets around. And so, always keep in mind, broken promises break trust faster than anything else. Always remember, be business-minded, Pinoy.